Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
I'm Elvira Bonapos. I'm Filipina.
How old are you?
I'm 44 years old.
Are you single or married?
I'm single.
Okay. So, what position are you applying for?
I'm applying for nanny.
Nanny. When would you be able to start working?
February next year, 2015.
Okay, so do you have relatives here in UAE?
I don't have relatives here in UAE.
Okay, please describe your present job.
As of now, I'm working at Ramada Hotel Ajman as housekeeping supervisor.
Okay, so what are your duties and responsibilities as a housekeeping supervisor?
My duty is supervise the staff, checking the room, and giving tasks and give allocation for all the staff.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook on the Filipino food.
Only Filipino foods. Okay, but do you know how to follow instructions in cookbook?
Yeah, I know how to follow the instruction.
You know how to follow instruction. Okay. So, what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I will not open the door first. I will
Okay.
check first in the view, eye viewer, if
Mhm.
the house have eye viewer, so I can check who's that first before I open the door.
Okay. What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Playing,
Playing.
play the, yeah.
Okay, so what do children like best about you?
Um, Friendly,
Mm-hmm. You are
caring,
friendly. Uh-huh.
caring, friendly, and just spoil them.
You're friendly and a caring nanny. Okay, so if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
What?
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
First, I will check what kind of accident. If I can give a first aid, so I can give, and that time, please call the parents immediately.
Okay, so are you willing to do light chores while the baby is sleeping?
It depends the house chores because it cannot leave the baby sleeping.
Okay. So as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
It depends what kind the child is demand.
Okay, so, for example, the child wants to go to the park alone. Are you going to say yes or no?
No, I will tell them first. We ask permission to your mother, to your parents. If they said agree, so we will go. If not, we cannot.
Okay. So the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
So I think we have books, so we will read the books, the
Mm-hmm.
story,
Mm-hmm.
and we will watch. If it's schooling, so we can do his assignment, reading,
Mm-hmm.
and if the parents allow that we watch TV, even 1 hour, so we will do.
Okay. So how much is your minimum expected salary?
3,500.
Okay. So describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
So I'm just a simple lady and
Uh-huh.
hardworking
Okay.
and responsible person.
Mm-hmm.
And to my future employer,
Mm-hmm.
so I will promise that you can trust me in everything, and especially your child and
Mm-hmm.
your property.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from MaidCV.com. Thank you.